Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Gumroad, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or disconnect your Stripe account from your Gumroad account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Stripe account from your Gumroad account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling products through your Gumroad, you know that you do need to connect a bank account or your Stripe or PayPal in order to receive your money from your Gumroad sales, but maybe you don't want to use your Stripe account anymore. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Gumroad account. It's this website right here, app.gumroad.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But once you get to that website, you do need to log into your Gumroad account. I've already logged into mine. Now, in order to disconnect your Stripe account from your Gumroad, you need to click on this hamburger menu here on the top right. It's these three horizontal lines. Once you do that, you will see this drop-down menu. And in order to remove your Stripe account from your Gumroad, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this line right here called Settings. It has a little gear icon. Okay, so once you do that, you'll see various information about your Gumroad account. However, in order to delete your Stripe account from your Gumroad, click on this scrolling button here until you see the button here called Payments. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different payout methods that you have set up with your Gumroad account. But in order to remove your Stripe account from your Gumroad, click on this button here called Stripe. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see this button here right below it. It's going to show your Stripe account, and you're also going to see this red button here called Disconnect Stripe Account. If you want to delete the Stripe account from your Gumroad, click on that red button. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes, and the button that was there in red is now in purple. So now you can go ahead and reconnect your Stripe account if you need to do so. However, you will not be able to receive payouts from your Gumroad account to your Stripe account that you had attached no longer because it now has been removed. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove your Stripe account from your Gumroad account, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.